time to check the weather. We can listen